Hello everyone, today we will learn another very important technique of multiplication, that is the base method multiplication technique. First we should know what is actually base method. We call this method as the base method because in this we use the powers of the 10 as a base, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. We use these powers depending upon the numbers given in the question. There are various types of the base methods of multiplication. We will learn these types one by one. So let us start and learn these techniques. Let us start. In the same base method, we have to see the powers of 10 that are near to the numbers we have to multiply. That means 96 and 94. They both are near to 100 and they both are less than the 100. So what would be our base here is, base would be 100. And first what we have to see is how much 96 and 94, both the numbers are less than the base. So 96 is 4 less than 100 and 94 is 6 less than 100. So what we have to do in this is very simple. We have to divide it into the two parts again. So first we will multiply this 4 into 6, that means 24. These numbers at the right hand side should be equal to the number of the zeros of the base. This is very important and we have to remember this every time. So now what would come on the left hand side? We will either subtract 96 from 6 or 94 from 4. So that would come out to be 90. That means 96 minus 6 or 94 minus 4. So that is our answer, 9024. Let us take a bigger number. So what would be our base here? Our base would be 10,000. So let us see how we would multiply this number. 9998 is how much less than 10,000? It's 2. And 9992 is how much less than 10,000? It's 8. Rest of the procedure is same. We will multiply these two numbers on the right hand side. That means 8 2s is 16. But what we have to notice in this is 16 would come, but this is the 2-digit number. So what we will do this in this is, we will add 2 zeros before that, because the number of the zeros of our base is 4. So we will have to add 2 zeros before that. And now we will subtract either 9998 minus 8 or 9992 minus 2. So what would come out that to be? 9990. So that would be our answer, 9990016. Very simple, such a bigger multiplication in just few seconds. See, such a big number took just few seconds to multiply. So now another type of base method of multiplication is above base. Above base means both the numbers we have to multiply is above the base. That means our base in these numbers is 100. And so these two numbers are above the base. That means these are more than 100. That means 112 and 105. So let us see how we do these types of numbers, how we multiply them. So how much 112 is more than the base? That means 100 is 12. And how much 105 is more than the base? That means 5. Rest of the things are same. We have to multiply these two numbers. So that means 12 5s is 60. So the number of the digit of these two numbers are equal to the number of the digits of base. So now what we will do on the left hand side is, like we subtracted in the same base, we will add these two numbers. 112, either we will add 112 plus 5 or we will add 105 plus 12. So 112 plus 5 is 117. So that is our answer, 11760. So now let us take another bigger number, 10020 to be multiplied with 10012. So here our base is 10,000. So how much these numbers are above the base? This is 20 above 10,000, and another number 10012 is 12 above 10,000. So now we will multiply. 12 2s are 240. So we have three numbers, three digits over here, and the number of the zeros of the base are 4. So we will add 1 0 before that. Now we will add 10020 with 12 or 10012 with 20. That means cross adding. 10020 plus 12. That means 10032. So our answer would be 1003240. Oh my God, such a big number. So now let us move towards the another type of base method of multiplication, that is above and below base. That means one number is above the base and one number is below the base. So that means 92. Here our base is 100 and 92 is below the base and 103 is above the base. So this method is little different and we just need to understand this. So let us see how we do this. How much is 92 less than the base? 8. And how much 103 is more than the base? That means 3. What we will do in this is, we will multiply the right hand side numbers. That means 8 3s are 24. Here the minus sign would come because the minus is with the bigger number. Minus 24. And again either we would add 92 plus 3 or we will subtract 103 from 8. So 92 plus 3 is 95. So now what we will do in this is, in this we always have to subtract this number at the right hand side from 100. So 100 minus 24 is 100 minus 24. That means from the base. 100 minus 24 is 76. And we will subtract 1 from 95. That means 94. So this is our answer. This is little different, but just we need to understand, and then we will be able to do this quickly. So now we will move towards the another technique, that is sub-base. Sub-base, what is sub-base is? Sub-base means the numbers like 40, 50, 200, 300, those are the multiples of bases. So we call them working base. So in these techniques, like we have to multiply 49 with 47. So in this, our actual base, we call this actual base. Actual base is 10, but our working base would be 50, because these two numbers are near to 50. So we will take 50 as the working base. So we will see how we do this. So this would be 10 into 5 is 50. That means this we have actual basis, working basis 5 more than the actual base, 5 times more than the actual base. So now what we will do is, how much is 49 less than the working base? That means 50 is 1. And how much is 47 less than the working base is 3. So we will multiply the right hand side. That means 3, and again 49 minus 3 is 46. So now the next step in this is, because our working base is 50 and actual base is 10, so we will multiply this number at the left hand side with 5. 46 into 5, that means 230. So our answer would be 230 and 3. So now we will move towards the another type, that means different bases. Different bases means the one number have the another base, and the another number to be multiplied has the another base. So we, in this example, we have 996 to be multiplied with 98. 96 has base, first base is our 1000 and another base is 100. Both the numbers are less than their bases. So let us see how we do this. 996 is less than 4 from 1000, and 98 is 2 less than 100. So now what we will do in this is, as the bases are different, so to make the equal bases, either we will multiply 98 with 10 or 2 with 10. So let us multiply 2 with 10 and make it 20. So now rest of the things are same. We will multiply 4 to the 8. Now we will subtract 996 minus 20. 996 minus 20, that means 976. So 97608 would be our answer. Let us take another example for more clarity. Let us multiply 1005 with 107. Here again our base is 1000 and another base is 100. Both the numbers are above their bases, so 1005 is 5 more than 1000 and 107 is 7 more than 100. So now again we will do this in the same way. We will multiply 5 sevens are 35. This number 35 or 8 should be equal to the number of the zeros of the lower base. So our lower base in both the cases is 100. So here we will, the number of the digit should be 2. So now again we will add, first we will convert this 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Now we will add 1005 plus 70. 1005 plus 70. That means 1075. So our answer is 107535. That is our answer. And I hope I have made all these concepts clear. These are very simple for the calculations which are near to the bases, that means 100, thousands or the sub bases. Any bigger number we can multiply with using these techniques. Thank you so much.